Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you steps I take to prepare rosemary oil at home. So for me to prepare rosemary oil, I'll be using dried rosemary leaves, about a cup. Rosemary has long been cherished for its natural ability to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. Rich in antioxidants and inflammatory properties, also, rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, helping to nourish hair follicles and encourage healthy hair growth. So I'm going to set a pot on the stove over low heat, and once the pot is warmed, I'm going to add in coconut oil, which is the carrier oil. And the reason as to why I'm warming the oil before adding rosemary leaves is a step that helps the infusion process. So when the oil is warm, it's so easy to extract essential oils from rosemary leaves. And when the oil is warmed, add in your dried rosemary leaves, ensuring that the leaves are fully submerged. Gently heat the mixture, being careful not to let the oil boil, as this can degrade the beneficial properties of both rosemary and coconut oil. So guys, that's how we prepare rosemary oil, and I want you to follow along. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about benefits of rosemary oil, and it helps to promote hair growth, it reduces hair loss, it strengthens hair, and also it soothes and conditions hair. So guys, please try making this rosemary oil at home. It is so easy to make and effective. Guys, if you try it, let me know in the comment section what you think. So guys, occasionally make sure you stir the mixture to prevent it from burning. The oil burns, it degrades all the properties. After 30 to 60 minutes of heating, remove the pot from the stove and allow the infused oil to cool. So guys, I'm done preparing my rosemary oil, and I just want to urge you to try this recipe at your homes. I used to struggle with hair loss and thinning, and I decided to give rosemary oil a try. Used it regularly and I noticed reduction in hair. Thank you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.